Welcome back, Stupid Fast Nation. How are you guys doing today? With the recent outbreak in the virus here in the States, it has given me a little bit of an opportunity to get some work done in the shop. I went ahead, got all my camera gear charged last night, and I'm ready to do some filming. All right, guys, so today we're gonna get back to work on the wiring in this thing. I'd like to get the vast majority of the interior done, as I do have a good part of the day to do work on this. So I'd like to get most of the interior done, maybe start working on the engine bay a little bit and get some of this dressed up, this cluttery mess here. And we gotta get some of this back into there. All right, guys, so let's get to work.
You need to see you're the honest I'll ever be. I'm so sorry I never stayed. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before. Just can't agree on what I should do when I don't feel free. You're not holding me back, I know. We're young and we never take things slow.
Alright, guys, so I wanted to take a break for a second and kind of show some of the challenges I'm working through by taking two wrecked vehicles and trying to combine the pieces to create one. It's like a giant puzzle. So if you look here, you can see I have the subwoofer mounted. Well, actually it's not mounted because there's no mounting holes, but I have it kind of set in position to where it's supposed to go on the other car that I got. You can see this is the rear stock interior panel that came with this car, and there's literally no space or mounting holes for that subwoofer to go in here. Now, I do happen to have the rear interior panel that came out of the other wrecked car because I kept all of the pieces off it, even the nuts and bolts. You can see there's two mounting holes and a place for this baby to sit, and for the wiring to come up through the back and plug into the amplifier in the back of the subwoofer. So yeah, guys, I just want to take a second, kind of show you some of the things I'm struggling with here, and this is one of the reasons why it takes so long to be able to get this thing back into a rolling chassis condition before we can even get to things like straightening the frame, putting the drivetrain into the car, and things of that nature. So yeah, let's get back at it.
Nobody else
So as you can see behind me, we were able to get most of the interior done in this car today. We probably got about 75–80% there. We've still got a little bit ways to go yet. So looking in the back here, you can see I got the seats in. I got the seat belts on the driver's side done. I've got one seat belt I actually had to order on the passenger side. We got the trunk pretty much done, except I have to find this panel right here for the back of the trunk there. We did manage to get each of the side panels in. We got the headliner in. We still have to install the rest of the small panels around the inside and along the top of the speakers there. We did also get the driver's seat installed and plugged in, which was a huge pain in the butt. I did not put the center console in because there's wiring under the dash that has to come down in the center of the center console yet before I snap that down and bolt that down into place. So I have to go upstairs, get that from the other dashboard, and actually put that wiring in place first. So yeah, we're gonna call this video quits, and there's a reason why. I'm actually working really hard to produce more videos this weekend for you guys. I've got a small span of days off of work where I can actually pump some videos out for you guys. So I'm trying to get a bunch of work done, bust my hump, edit these videos, and get them posted for you guys. I've got a special video I want to do tonight for you guys, but that's probably not going to post until tomorrow. So I'm going to try and get this video up right away, then work on that video tomorrow morning, get that posted right away, and then that video is going to be awesome. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. We're going to talk about the future of this car in a certain format, not really speaking with words per se. But yeah, anyways, I don't want to give it away. So yeah, guys, as always, if you enjoy my content, make sure you hit that like, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.